The theory is that you just make yourself bigger physically. So that might look like stretching your arms up out wide. Try not to show you my armpits. So my secret to feeling more comfortable on camera is advice I actually used to give my students when I taught public speaking at a university, which is this method from Amy Cuddy, which is called power posing. What I do is her Superman pose. So fists on your hips and your legs as far out as you can make them. And you hold that pose for 2 minutes. I highly recommend checking out her TED Talk. I started doing it for interviews, for anything I was feeling anxious about getting in front of people for. And I do it with video recording, and it has helped so much. It's super simple. It's like bananas simple that you'll wonder why you didn't think of it. It's smile. Weird, right? Smile. And it makes sense too. Like it helps me feel more upbeat, more engaged. It makes me feel relaxed, like I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And on top of that, people mirror your behavior. So people are going to feel better because they're going to start smiling and feel like they're enjoying themselves. And it creates that emotional connection. I prepare for recording 2 ways. One is I write a script, even if I'm not going to use it. But it just helps me get my thoughts out, get them organized, get me in the flow of what I want to talk about. And then I use that as my rough guide. And then the second thing I do is practice, right? Practicing makes the words feel easier in my mouth and helps me feel more confident with the content I'm presenting.